How to check Starbucks store hours before you go. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Go to Starbucks and click on Find a Store at the top right. After you click on Find a Store, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here on the left side, you'll find a Store. There, simply type in your location or zip code. And after you search, you'll find all the nearby Starbucks stores near you, and you can scroll through it. And to check store hours, you can click on I like icon. After you click on that, scroll down, you'll find store hours from Thursday 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. In that way, you'll find all the store hours. This is how to check Starbucks store hours before you go. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.